Have you ever wondered if spinach can help you lose weight? It's a question that's crossed the minds of many, especially those embarking on a journey toward healthier living. Weight loss is a multifaceted process, and diet plays an undeniably crucial role. Ensuring you're fueling your body with the right foods can make all the difference. Enter spinach, a leafy green powerhouse packed with a plethora of nutrients. Known for its versatility, spinach is a staple in many healthy diets and could potentially aid weight loss. It's brimming with essential nutrients like fiber, iron, and vitamins A and C, to name a few. These nutrients have a myriad of benefits for those looking to shed some pounds. They not only nourish the body but also support overall health and well-being. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does spinach help with weight loss? Well, that's exactly what we're about to delve into. Spinach, a leafy green vegetable, is packed with a variety of nutrients that can contribute to weight loss. This humble green is a nutritional powerhouse, loaded with fiber and low in calories. Just a single cup of spinach contains merely 7 calories and an impressive amount of dietary fiber. Fiber not only aids in digestion but also makes you feel fuller for longer, helping to curb those pesky cravings. This can lead to a reduction in overall calorie intake, a key factor in weight loss. But spinach isn't just a one-trick pony. It's also rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which support eye health. Plus, it boasts high levels of vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals like iron and calcium. These nutrients work together to combat oxidative stress, boost your immune system, and support bone health. But the benefits of spinach don't stop there. There's more to this superfood that makes it a great addition to your weight loss journey. One of the key factors in weight loss is feeling full or satisfied after a meal, and that's where spinach comes in. You see, spinach is packed with dietary fiber. This isn't just any old fiber, but a type that our body takes a while to digest. As a result, it stays in your stomach longer, giving you a feeling of fullness that can last for hours. Now let's talk water. Spinach is nearly 92% water. When we consume foods with high water content, our stomachs feel satiated quicker. This sensation of fullness can help curb overeating, enabling us to manage our calorie intake better. So it's not just about eating less. It's about eating smart. The fiber and water content in spinach work together to create a sense of satisfaction that can keep you from reaching for that extra snack. So incorporating spinach into your meals could potentially help you eat less and thus lose weight. So, can spinach help you lose weight? The answer is yes. This leafy green powerhouse is not just a cartoon sailor's favorite. It's packed with nutrients, low in calories and high in fiber, making it a fantastic choice for those looking to shed pounds. But remember, spinach is just one piece of the weight loss puzzle. It's important to incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet and maintain a regular exercise routine. We've discussed the nutritional benefits of spinach and how its fiber content aids in creating a feeling of fullness, which in turn can help control your calorie intake. Indeed, adding spinach to your meals can be a simple and tasty way to support your weight loss journey. To learn more about the benefits of spinach and other weight loss tips, make sure to check out the full article on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.